something I don't understand.
What is it?
You're asking me what is it? Each time I come hunting with you, I will end up going home without anything. Why?
Just look at who is talking. Let me ask you. Which hunting techniques do you know?
The ones you taught me.
The ones I taught you.
Yes, the ones you taught me.
It's okay now. It's the ones that I taught you. Fine. The truth of the matter is that today is our bad day.
No, today is your bad day.
Our bad
day. I can tell you that it is not my bad day. It's not my bad day. But if I shoot you, I will turn you to an animal. You know it's not our bad day.
Please don't shoot. Don't shoot.
Will you shut up?
No.
Bad day, Wogeba. I will just shoot you and you become an animal.
Get me water. I'm thirsty. Hey, alota. Endeba. When I daba. Hey. Ha. So, didn't you see the cup? Why bringing this god? Why bringing water for me with this god? No, this is used for drinking palm wine. Did I ask you to get me palm wine?
Chisom, go in there and start preparing food so that you can meet daylight.
Mama, but I was the one that prepared food yesterday. Chidalo should make food today.
You see why you are lazy? Have you seen it now? Chidalu was the one that did all the work in the farm and you were there playing. Don't let me repeat myself. Just go there now and start cooking. Did you hear me?
Mama, Papa, I'm going to the stream to fetch water.
Take it easy, eh? Oh.
Mama.
You want now, Papa? Will you get go in there and start cooking? If you call Shibawaro.
What are you doing? You're tired. Tell me, what do you do into this hunting that is making you this tired?
Welcome, my prince. Welcome, Onyema. My prince, I just finished serving your favorite food in your chamber.
Hey, Mama, how did you know that we are very hungry?
We. What is we? Who are we? I'm not hungry.
But I'm very hungry. I'm very hungry.
Go and give him small.
Your chamber is empty. It's better.
our time. No. I'm doing just fine for you, just as you can see.
Oh, where are you coming from?
From your heart. But I met your absence. Thanks the gods you're here.
Adora, I do not appreciate you coming to my hut. What you are looking for, I do not have it.
Dikeh, I love you. And I would do anything within my power to get you. Besides, you are not even married yet.
You heard me.
Dikeh! I think I will not forgive.
What kept you so long, my sunshine?
Mother asked me to make food, and I left it in fire to come and see you.
You see why I cannot trade it for anything?
Thank you so much for worshiping like the goddess.
See, I cut a big response for you.
Thank you very much, Obi.
I'll bring it to your hut later.
I have to go now. I pray my food should be in good condition when I get home.
Mama, what is it?
Where is your sister?
I don't know. I left you people here when I was going to the stream.
Eh?
Yeah.
Hey!
Mama, what happened?
Go to the backyard and see it for yourself. Go there, you will see what happened. Chisom. Chisom. Okay. I hope you will come back in this house. You will come back in this house and meet me. Tata kamuna iga monye nwedo na. Anofia. You do not know how to do anything other than going around this kingdom. Looking for what I do not know, Chisom. Okay, for Tata. Me mechagi ife inont. In fact, where from you abunwa? Mechagi.
Uchechi, why don't you take it easy on yourself? Take it easy with her. Eh? Why can't you show her love? Why are you showing her so much hatred?
So you see no wrong in what she did, eh?
It is not what I am saying. Show equal love to Chisom and her sister. Eh?
Now you lie. You see, in this one, I cannot do it. Not when she is not useful to me.
Aye.
Yes. In fact,
let's go.
I'm off here.
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay, just go inside. I'm not going. I can't even have the rest I was having.
Is our line?
And this one.
All of them.
Yes. Wait, there's something I want to ask.
Okay.
What is delaying your coronation as king of Eko?
Maiden,
Emedi.
the queen that was sent with me to the throne.
You have all it takes for you to get.
How are you?
So you should hurry so that you can get the throne.
I will.
You have all it takes.
I will. When I see a maiden my heart gladdens for, the one my heart will beat for, I will.
Do you have Abacha in your thoughts?
How handsome he is, with all his influence as royalty. But he's still very humble and nice. What a creature. My prince.
I have so many things I'm showing you in case there's anything so that you want to.
Greetings, noble prince.
Beautiful maiden. Beautiful maiden. You are beautiful. What is your name?
My name is Chisom Ike, second daughter of Maz Ike, my prince.
You're from this clown.
Yes, my prince.
Mazi Ike, the great farmer. Oh, my dear. My dear, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. I would like to know you more.
Thank you, my prince. I beg to leave for an errand by my father.
It's okay. It's okay. Calm down. I like you. I want us to see again.
Okay, my prince.
Nam, I saw the already to send through your gas today. But that is not the reason I'm here. You see, your father left without blessing your child. I want to do so since fate did not allow him.
Mother, you will. Once the maiden that gladdens my heart says yes, you bless our children.
Where is she? And why is it taking time for her to say yes?
Mother. Mother. Remember you always say patience is a good virtue. Mother, why are you not exercising that patience? Mother, patience.
Well, if you say so, remember, there is no time.
Mother, there is time.
There is no time. Go and marry.
I will.
Go and marry.
Mother, I will.
My prince, we want to know your mind about the future of Eku.
Because there is no future without a king. I mean, Eku future is in trouble. Biko no. Biko.
My prince, I want to believe your father told you of what to do before you be crowned a king of Eku.
My prince, you have everything in your possession. Why delay? Because now, busire janyo nse kpodi aja ode afia rife mother ago ife onye ozo. E mo si semel odachi. So my prince, Biko, think about that. Dempa. Eh?
My elders, thank you for this meeting. I really appreciate it. I'm aware of all these things. But as we all know, marriage is not something you just jump into and you jump out. It is something one needs to be very, very careful. Marriage is a lifetime union. So I am working on that. But for now, I will do my best and I will get back to you all.
You have 4 full moons to be crowned as king of Eku. Else, the crown will be taken from you to another royal family. Oh no, I believe I've spoken the minds of the elders.
Yes, yes. My prince, please, do something about it. I like you look into this, please, my prince. Biko, Kobi Nagalechi. Biko, Biko.
My prince, you have been very moody since I got here. What is this burden that you are carrying in your heart? Please, share it. I beg you. Please.
The elders gave me 4 full moons to pick a bride, to ascend the throne or I lose it.
Eh? Lose it? That means my dream of becoming your senior special advisor on all matters will be aborted.
What is your problem? No, what is your problem? When will you be serious? Can you ever be serious on something that is a serious matter? Can you see something as serious as what I'm saying? No, I am talking about something very important here. You're here telling me nonsense.
No.
What is your problem?
No, now. My prince, this one is not nonsense. It's not nonsense at all. Now, let me even ask yourself, what is keeping you from getting a bride? What is keeping you? You have all it takes. What is keeping you?
The maiden. The maiden my heart beats for. She has not given me an answer yet.
Have you met her?
concerns me most is that I don't know why the prince refuses to eat just because of a maiden.
Unwego, I'm even surprised. Does it mean we are not beautiful enough? Or we don't have what it takes?
Ha. I think I have a plan.
You have a plan? Make sure you put me in the picture.
Don't worry, you're in. Let's go, let's go.
Chisom!
Chidalo.
Where's Chisom?
She's inside.
Huh?
She's inside.
Doing what?
Does it mean she fails to understand that we are going to the farm today to finish the work we have there?
Are you asking me? When I was telling you about her attitude, you said I hate her.
Chisom.
Chisom!
Chisom!
Yes, father.
You see? She is still sleeping.
Chisom, why are you still sleeping up till this time?
I am not feeling too well, father.
Oh.
You're not feeling fine. Go to Ekema's place, eh? Tell her to give you some herbs.
Let's go.
Tell her once I get back, I'll come and give her money. Yeah? Make sure you do that for me, eh? Do that again for yourself. Go inside, eh? Hey, how do you? You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Please, can I talk to you? Yes. Excuse us.
You can meet your...
You see my bear? You're beautiful.
Thank you, my prince.
It's good to appreciate good things. I can say it 100 times. Because your beauty is something else. You know, look at the sun. The way the sun is shining, radiating, that is how you're shining. My dear, I like you. And I want us to be very good friends, closer. I want you and I to build a strong relationship. Good one at that.
My prince, but I'm not royalty. I can't see that being possible.
Oh no, come on my dear. You don't have to come from a royal family before you could do something or mingle with those from royal family.
Sorry, my prince. I have to go. My father sent me on an errand. Excuse me.
My friend, everything is okay. No, everything is okay. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah. Like I was saying, you see this land and all these lands, they are land. Eku has a very big land fortune. Everything. You have anything you want. In a peaceful way, we don't fight. We don't make trouble. Yeah?
We don't fight, we don't make trouble. Doesn't mean that we can do what we are not.
It's money something I cannot give to him.
Something that you cannot give to him.
Yes.
What could that be?
He wants us to build a relationship together, and you know that it is not possible. I'm not of royalty.
I do not see anything bad in this.
You cannot see anything bad in it. Okay, no problem. Let's go.
You better think about this.
I don't have anything to think about. Yeah, I like trouble. Look at who's talking.
Don't worry, very soon, I'll start beating you.
That one, yeah. Look at who's talking.
Have you seen me already?
No.
Don't have respect, though.
That one, yeah.
I am not in support of you allowing Chisom to stay at home while we work in the farm. If it was Chidalu that is sick now, you would not allow her to stay back. Have you seen it? Have you seen how you are encouraging her to be more lazy? Now, no man will marry a lazy woman. No man will tolerate a lazy woman. I've said my own now.
Uchechi, onye daala obi, nya dakwuola ibe, inye ndị ebe a nye ndị ebe a kwa n'aka. Chisom, Chidalu, both are your daughters. Show them equal love. Inye ndị ebe a, inye ndị ebe a kwa n'aka.
You mean to say I don't love Chisom?
Uchechi, inye ndị ebe a, inye ndị ebe a, ụwa na-aga.
Is that all you have to say? Kwadowe name.
Beautiful.
I like my father. They are not in a fancy accent.
You don't have to do it. It is wrong. Well, I will have waited for you to return from the farm.
I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
You see, I do not want to be the way you lie to your father.
Dikeh, the greatest hunter of Eco Kingdom. I can see that today you are hunting a full human being. Nice. Okay. Hey! No. I have to see to the end of this love affair. Yes, that's what I'll call it. Love affair. I have to.
Remove your hand. Lazy people go hungry.
Chisom, where are you coming from?
I went to Ekema's place to get some herbs.
Okay. Chisom. It's not Ekema. Which Ekema? Chisom, which Ekema? I was in Ekema's place. And she told me that you never came there at all. Nobody saw you there. Chisom, all you do is to move around this village looking for what I don't know. You even lied to me. You lied to us that you were sick. That was why you didn't go to farm with us. But what did you do? You were busy going about this village looking for what I don't know. Eh? Kasi nyendeba. Asisege bulu onyenye. Eh, Chisom?
You are not saying it. When I was talking to her, you said I don't have equal love for my children. Chisom, better go and harvest yam for yourself. Or you go back to wherever you are coming from. As for Nkai, no eat food.
Father.
Pagin onya. Simniru falapo. Falat simniru zupo. Don't ka father.
No eat.
Chisom nyaz. Solution nyo na efo. Ina bagari. What nonsense is this?
You eat your own.
You better know how you caution her. I don't want a repeat of this attitude from her again.
Huh? Caution Chisom. Me. Caution Chisom. Yeah. Kemgbe nke abidokwa. Chida. Caution. Nwa ifuru n'anya.
I am convinced that maiden is the right one for me. She is.
Beauty is deceitful. Let me ask you, this thing that you're feeling, is it love, lust, or infatuation?
Why are you talking as if you do not know me again?
That is the problem. It's the point here. Because you are behaving strange. The Obina I know is not carried away by beauty or looks. You will not.
Onyema, I know what I feel right inside me.
How do you want me to come in?
I will let you know.
I love.
Mazuzo, I am seeing 2 kegs of palm wine before us here. Eh? It is a blessed day. But Emonase, Onya ajula aju weleli. One ebutekwana ayalaya. Well, so I must ask, what prompted this visit?
Thank you. You know, when the sun set up to the sky, even the skin feel its radiation. This my brother's son here, Udesi, told me that he's a man enough to take care of himself and family. Therefore, he wants to take one of your daughter as a bride. He's a man enough.
Is you? What is your name?
My name is Udense.
I am blessed with two beautiful maidens as daughters. Which of them are you talking about?
The second maiden, Chisom. Ofuman. Ofuman.
Let me go and call her.
At least Udala Chacha.
They are here. This is Benson. He is here with his uncle and 2 kegs of wine. Udense is here to seek for your hand in marriage. Eh? So, should we accept the drinks from them, the palm wine?
He will leave the way others left.
What's again?
Chisom.
What's again? Ogini Nemeba, what is going on here?
I don't understand.
Udense, my son. If she had said yes to the first 4 men that came for her, you would not meet her single. Yes. So, this is always her attitude. Hey.
So I wasted my time bringing my uncle here to face this embarrassment.
Sure. But I warned you. But you refuse. Now look at the insult she has given to us. Thank you, Mazike. I know you are a noble man, but please talk to your daughter.
Chisom, stop! Chisom, wait, I'm talking to you!
What? What am I waiting for? So you tell me to go back home and say yes to him? Chisom, you are a maiden. And you know our time passes.
You have already rejected 4 suitors. If you let him go, he'll be the 5th person. 5th, Chisom.
If you are interested, you can go back home and say yes to him.
Chisom, come back here. Chisom.
You have not said a word since you got here. What is hitting you up?
They refuse to understand that you're the only one I want in my life.
Another suitor, right? I knew it. I know this is the only thing that will make you to be upset.
Let's go see your home. I don't want to go back to that house again.
See, my heart will go. But you go back to your heart.
My friend, your food is ready.
Are you going to eat me?
That food should wait. Mother, you said there is something you want us to discuss.
You may leave.
Okay, my queen.
1 full moon has passed since the elders told you something about the throne, and you're doing nothing about it.
Mother, I've been trying my best. I'm doing a lot about it. But the truth is that the maiden my heart beats for, she's not cooperating.
Who is this maiden that do not want to be the future queen of Eku?
Mother, leave her. Don't worry, I will handle it. I will handle it.
Time is nobody's friend. And I'm losing my patience.
Mother, please. Please, for your temper. Don't lose. Don't even... your anger is not funny. Please. Mother, I beg you. I will fix it.
Your food is getting cold.
I will eat when Onyema comes.
My friends, why do you want me around?
Moral support. I don't know why I develop this cold feet each time I see her. I want that to stop. I don't want it to happen again.
And my friends, and it will make sense both of us talking to her at the same time. Do you know why? So that she will not have a mind of her own other than to say yes.
You see? You see what I mean? You see what I mean?
Again, bless me again. My friends, I will not give you this idea and nothing is here. Let's go inside. I know something is inside.
You want food?
I'm going to. I know something is inside.
Onyema.
My prince, she is not forthcoming. I have other things to take care of. And you know Ndukwe is owing me. He asked me to come and get the money today. I have to go.
See you tomorrow.
Are you sure you'll be fine?
I'll be fine. What kept you this long? I have been waiting for you.
I'm here, my friends. I have too many things doing at home.
It's okay. I'm glad you're here. You see, I like you so much. I cherish you a lot. I want you to be my bride. I want to make you my queen. The queen of Eku Kingdom. The woman that will sit with me, decide, discuss, carry out everything, the affairs of this kingdom. A queen that will make things work and handle the issues and affairs of this kingdom together. That's what I want from you, please.
I'm sorry, my prince. When a man needs a bride, he goes to the maiden's hut to ask for her hand in marriage, not inviting her to his hut to ask her out. I'm sorry, my prince.
I wonder why Prince Obinna is not noticing us in this palace.
And he's going after that maid, Chisom. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Am I not beautiful enough? Why is the prince not noticing us? I mean me. Why did he choose Chisom over us? I mean over me.
Are you talking for yourself?
Yes, for myself alone.
I think this is not ordinary. Maybe she's using something on the prince.
I can't just wait for the gods to expose her.
I hope so.
I'm really angry. Prince Obinna needs to choose us.
The noble prince of Edo Kingdom. My prince, what brought you out this end? Please to mark this way.
I can see that love is in me too. I can see.
I have 2 full moons left. I can't afford to lose my throne to another family. Even my father will not be happy with me, even to that.
But my prince, why not talk to her again, like one more time, or still get your mother involved in it? What do you think?
I'm a man. I think it's time I begin to handle issues in my own way.
So this won't work.
It will work. I will make it work. That is why I'm a man. Men are meant to make things work. They don't watch things happen, rather they make it happen. In this one, my good friend, I will make it work.
I hope so.
So where are you going to?
I was on my way to Market Hut to get some yam seedlings. But since you're here, I have to see you up to the palace.
No, don't worry, I'll be fine. I want you to proceed to where you were going to.
No, not in this kind of condition. Not the way you are. I cannot leave you like this. No. But you have to share up, okay? Losing up.
I'm fine.
I'm fine. You're fine like this. So I know you, my friend. You're not like this. You're not fine.
Challenge is what makes it fine.
Thank you.
Prince Obinna, I am not the one that will decide for my daughter. She is the one that will live with you. So everything still lies on her. Eh? Your intention is good, yes. So I am still going to talk with her. Hmm?
Thank you, Mazi. I really appreciate this. I will be expecting to hear from you.
No problem.
No problem. Let me take my leave now.
May the gods be with you.
I'll be with you too. Thank you.
Chisom. Chisom.
I wished I was the one the prince was dying for. I would have even said yes before he even asked.
I know you very well. You don't need to tell me.
A handsome and peaceful young man like this. I wonder why Chisom is not seeing anything. You should know why she's not seeing clearly.
Which made him say no to her?
I die out. My dear, let's go.
I called you here so we can talk as women.
Yes, Your Highness.
My son Obina have never found joy in any maiden. You want to make your own daughter Chisom the future queen of Eko.
Your Highness, no woman will hear about becoming a queen in this kingdom and say no. But Chisom, my daughter, is one maiden in this kingdom that I do not understand. In fact, I don't know.
She's your daughter. Talk to her. I believe she will listen to you.
Your Highness, I will try my best. I will talk to her. I will make her see reasons with Prince Obinna. Okay?
I'm expecting your reply.
I will do something.
Okay.
Your Highness, permit me to take my leave.
You can leave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Hello. Thank you very much. I really appreciate all your support since the death of my father. You are a father. I tell you. And also for not allowing the throne to get out of this family and out of my hands. I thank you. Thank you so much.
My prince, if there is anything you need from me and the elders, just open up. Ask. And it shall be made possible. This throne.
Thank you. Can you hear that?
I wonder what is wrong.
Stop! Greetings, Your Highness. You know why I greet you?
Yes.
Thank the God that you are here too.
The youth of Eku, I greet you all.
Greetings, Your Highness.
What has risen your anger?
This orphan maiden was caught stealing pear from Mazuche Nas pear tree. Yes. And she must face the law. Yes.
Ofuman. Maiden of Eku.
Yes, my prince.
What is your name?
Speak!
Come on.
My name is Adako.
What did our law say concerning a man who stole from another man?
The person will be sent to an exile, never to return back again. Yes.
I remember my father told me before he died. He said, a man who stole food to eat, steal because he or she is hungry. But a man who stole to enrich himself is greedy.
Yeah.
And must face the law.
Iwuji.
So the youth of our kingdom, did Adako steal to enrich herself? But before you answer, if you know you have not in any way stolen from another man's barn, I want you to lift up your hand. But if you're here and you know very well you have in one way or the other stolen from someone's barn, be it small or big, I want you to
My prince, indeed, you are a true son of your father. May the gods of our land continue to guide you and protect you. May the gods of our land grant you a higher wisdom and knowledge to handle this truth.
He say, guards.
Yes, my prince.
Take Adako in. Feed her. Give her more food to go home with. And take her back to her home.
Yes, my prince.
Oh, let me.
Wow, thank you so much.
What? Are you stupid? Come on, get out! Out! Get out! What nonsense? Are you stupid? I will pretend that this nonsense you came into my chamber to come and do did not just happen. Next time you try this nonsense, your mother should be ready to receive your cups.
But my prince, I love you.
Shut up! Shut! Listen. If you try this next time, if you try it again, get out. Out! Out! Nonsense.
When will this embarrassment come to an end?
Hey, Ogenede, what's the meaning of all this? Eh? I cannot walk on the footpaths of this kingdom anymore. I don't have that pride of being called the father of Chisom. What is the meaning of this? Why is she turning down every suitor that comes to seek for her hand in marriage? Just imagine. Today, today, Udoka came to seek for her hand in marriage and she turned him down. What sort of embarrassment is she bringing to this family? Biawanya, you better make her to understand that she's bringing shame to our family's name. Yes. You better caution her. You better talk to her.
Nine.
Do
you think that I am happy the way Chisom is rejecting suitors? I am not happy. Yes. And this thing is not what only me can handle. I think it's time for us to consult the Ezemo of this kingdom. Yes. We have to consult the gods. Because what is happening to Chisom right now is getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. It's not what only me can handle or what you can handle. It's not only about talking to her or advising her to get married. No.
Ezemo.
Yes.
Ezemo.
What do you want me to say again? I know you are doing all these things for me. Believe me, I'm not ignorant of it. But the truth is, I do not have what it takes to marry you now.
The pressure is too much on me. Do something, please.
What do you want me to do?
Anything. Say anything you can sell. The land.
That land is the only thing I inherited from my father. That's the only property outside my heart. And if I should sell it to pay for your birthright, what are we going to farm on? To cater for our unborn children. Please understand.
Obi, then let me get money from my father and give to you.
May the gods forbid. Do you know what? Give me time. I will look for a way to raise this money. Okay.
Sorry, my elders. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. What you all are asking me to do is tyranny. I cannot do it. I cannot. Father never did. Why should I?
Wait. Your mother said yes, even before your father asked. She accepted. And then, what is the problem? You should do something about it. Do something about it.
You even have right to ask for anything in this kingdom. And you have it. You have used peace. It's not working. Why don't you use force on that maiden? Remember, you have limited time.
And let's not forget that this is a matter of the heart. As delicate and soft as the heart is, let's deal with it that way. I am still pleading. Just give us some time. Please, give us some time.
It's a little time. Okay? Little time.
Is Wakare?
Remember, you have little time.
Is Wakare go?
can now see why my friend is dying for you. Look, he is no longer thinking straight. I don't fault him for anything because any man in his shoes will not think straight.
I cannot make out any meaning in what you're saying.
What I am trying to say is that my friend loves you so much. Obinna has never felt the way he is feeling now, never before. I want you to give him a chance to prove how much he loves you. And he will want to make you the queen of Eco Kingdom.
I do not have anything to say to your friend. If he needs a bride, you know where to get one. Not me. Excuse me.
I should excuse you. Look, just look at the maiden that a royal blood wants to make royal. And you're here saying what I don't know.
Yes, my friend. I am glad to see you. I am happy. I'm glad to meet you. Please, I want you to do me a favor.
A favor?
Yes.
What could that be?
It's not something you cannot do. It's something you can do for a prince. You see, I like your friend. I want you to help me talk to her. Yes. Tell her that I want her to allow us be. If she should allow us be, I will do anything she wants. I will make her my bride. My queen. I mean, the queen of Iko Kingdom.
My prince, Chisom, my friend, could be very stubborn when it comes to issue like this. But do not worry. I'll talk to her.
She will?
Yes, my friend.
Oh, Chika, please, if you do, I will show you a great appreciation. I will show you appreciation, please. Please.
I don't want him.
Then tell him your mind. Chisom, tell him your mind. I do not like the idea of you keeping him quiet without telling him how you feel.
The truth is, Prince Obinna loves me so much, and I do not want to hurt him.
Which one is better? Hurting him with the truth or comforting him with lies in the pretense of keeping him quiet? Chisom, let me even ask you. Is Dikeh ready to marry you? Is he? I will advise you to marry Prince Obinna and have a brighter future with him. Dikeh is not ready yet. You are my friend, I cannot deceive you. And I want the best for you. Dikeh is not ready yet. Do not forget that maidens time passes.
So are you walking out on me?
Only the gods. Only the gods knows the best. I'm sorry.